Hey track fans, how you doing? And good day mates. It's Saturday afternoon, I'm recording now, and it is raining and it is miserable. So what better to do than to crack out track 98, and we welcome back the Bentley Continental Centenary Edition. And I've got it's slightly under this canopy here, but that's good. I've got a spoiler, everyone. I've got a spoiler, but I've got no wing mirrors. Oh well. Anyway, so shall we see what the Bentley does on this track? Let's do it. Let's drive track 98. Let's go, Albert. Let's drive straight up and into a hairpin. Swings it round there, up into a nice elevated drift circle there, around the twisty bends, down the long hill, over to Gambon. Gambono's there in the corner. You probably pick it up on the other cam. We need loads of cameras on this one. It's a big track round into pole again. Kicks it out nice there. Brings it round that long, elevated, swirly bit there. Quite like it. It's like a bit of a cantilever. Anyway, we're going up and around. We're taking it easy because I'm trying to... Oh, the Bentley is on the corner. Will he recover? Will he recover? He is wheel spinning like Billy-O at the moment. Right, let's have a look. There we go. He's back in the race. Let's lane change. Neil, lane change! Get in there! How you doing, Paul, Mikey? How you going, everyone? You had a good week or two since the last episode. Tell you, it's been all good this end. We're back on the track side. So we got through whatever we were doing before that was keeping us busy. And, oh, we got a burn off already. He's off the track. Get in there. So, oh, and he's stuck on the crossroads. Always sticks on those little bits of no connectivity. A bit like in the lane changes where you got, let me bring him round to the lane change. I'll show you exactly what I mean. A bit of lane change education. Here, see how it's metal and it's plastic. When you stop your car there, look, nothing. Centimetre ahead, whee! And he's off the track fans. Right then, Albert back in. The Bentley is good. It's the second time we've had the Bentley out from memory. Maybe no, I think it's the second time. But the Bentley is just a nice car, and I've left the magnets in because it's so light. Lane change! I don't know if I've got the camera there, but anyway, it's so light on itself. It skids out at the slightest sniff of power. Quite like it though. It's very drifty. I've got to watch, oh, see there, kick out. I've got to watch what I'm doing. Kick out again. Because as you see, kick out central. It's very, very light. And then before you buy a Bentley, I just need you to all know, it is extremely difficult. Whoa, burn out on the corner again. Let's get around there, track fans. Rescue him. Get in there, Albert. You've got the pace car. On it. So yeah, back to it. The Bentley, very difficult to buy tyres for. Because they have, in true Bentley style, being a bit bigger than most cars, zero options. Wow. Oh, he's done it again! For the love of all that is track worthy. What is going on? I have to see what I mean. I need tyres. And no one sells Bentley silicone tyres. If anyone sells silicone tyres for the Bentley, please leave a comment and help us out. We love the Bentley, but it slides and glides like a dream. Whoa, kick out there. Right then, let's get back into the race here. Up and over the long flyover, Bacharach into Gambon. Hey, tell me, Albert, have you had the Ford prototype out on your track since your birthday? I know you're a busy guy, but I thought I'd just check in and ask. Let us know. Anyway, there you go. So then, track fans, what are you guys up to? Have you guys been on the tracks? I tell you, a great place to find tracks is the Scalextric Enthusiasts and Hobbyists, I think it's called, on Facebook. That is a brilliant place there. Lots of tracks going on and lots of people showing you different cars that you can get for Scalextrics and for slot car and for pretty much every other sort of form of miniature racing you can think of. They have got it in there, and it is a great place to be. Very social, nice guys in there. You can ask anything and it's not a big problem. I like it. Well done, lads. So then, where are we up to? Has anyone booked a holiday yet? We've got holidays coming through now. We're personally not going anywhere. We are gonna staycation. Let's get on the go. Little help from the noodle doodle, and we'll bring it into pole. I think he's struggling on that outside track all of a sudden. Aha, might be the braids. Try on the inside track for the moment. Okay, so we'll take it around one more time on the inside. I think I might need to change the braids on the car because we've been having a lot of fun with this car lately. It's got a spoiler, which instantly makes it more appealing. So let's do one more lap. Last lap, track fans. Come on, Albert. This is the last one for the Bentley Continental Centenary Edition. Scalextric 1/32 scale. Loving it. There you go. Let's see you soon, guys. Have a good week ahead or two. We'll be back for track 99.